Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search tiktok.com. After that, click on Profile, which is at the left bottom of your screen. Now, from here, click on Edit Profile and edit your username. After that, all you have to do is click on the Save button and your username will be changed. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.